Hello, my name is Walter Ischia. Welcome to my e-lecture on business model. This e-lecture is consisting of 5 micro-lectures which will give different perspective to the topic of business models. But before we start, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Walter Ischia and I'm founder and managing partner of Mad Ventures. What we do is we support young tech entrepreneurs and founders by building their business successfully. We are investing in them and I'm coaching several teams. And Mad Ventures is kind of summary of my life in business so far. I've been a practitioner in many companies and I've been founding many companies too. And we will see a very practical view on the topic of business models. So what will we be talking about? We will start with some basics. I will tell you why business models really matter. Then we will talk about the business model canvas. And after that, some do's and don'ts by working with the business model canvas. After this, we will talk about a very important thing to transform needs to solutions, which you can do with the business, with the value proposition canvas. And last but not least, we will talk about the St. Gallen Business Model Navigator, which is a nice piece of research regarding business models with very interesting results. So, what are the learning goals of these sessions? Well, the first is you should know why business models are important and why they matter. You should understand which techniques and tools there are to model business models. You should be able to use these tools, and hopefully you will be able to build strong and powerful business models yourself. So I'm very happy to doing that with you, and let's get started.